This video tells you some of the extra information about the upload and embed system. Click on the content tab up the top and then select one of your content categories, click an article and edit it using the pencil icon. That will open up your article editor, and then you'll click on the upload and embed files line in the editor, and there's the upload embed tool. Now you'll notice on the right the resize sizes for uploads. So in other words, before it gets uploaded, it will resize the image, saving you potentially quite a lot of time if it's quite a big file. Now this is set in the category. It's not set within this editor itself, so you can just scroll to the top of that section and click on return to category listing, and there you'll see the edit category link. Click that and then scroll towards the bottom of the category form and you'll come across the default image upload size. You have a width and a height. Now if the height is set at 0, it will default to a maximum height of 2000 pixels, which is normally a lot bigger than what you would normally use on a website. Otherwise it will just stick to the one width. Now you'll normally set a width, say in a blog, where you want your image size to fit neatly into the size of your website. So by just selecting the right width there and then clicking upload, you then set your default resizes. So just go back to your article, go to edit and go to upload and embed, and there's your size. Also there you'll see the little icon for the for the help file there. You can click. Then of course there's the files list. Now if you need a new file, a new file path, you need to do it elsewhere in the content manager at this stage. In the up the files and folders manager. Otherwise, if you need to select another album, you can do so in the images tab. So you need to go back there and create your new album. Otherwise, we're just about ready to select our file. Just click on the select icon. Now the system knows whether it's going to be whether it's an image file or a text file. So we've selected one file. Now if it's an image file, you should always select input your tag name. A tag's very important for image files, especially for SEO, and if a file doesn't come up properly, it shows you what is supposed to be in that image. You can upload the files into the database if you wish, but there's no need to, otherwise they'll just sit on the server. If you're just embedding it into your blog, there's no need to save it into your database, but if you plan on using it further, then you should select the database if you want to attach to other elements of your website. Again, we have the My Domain box there, which will return the image served by your domain name, and in this case we'll select the database and then we'll click upload. Whoops, we haven't selected our album, so we need to select our album, then we can upload, and then eventually that'll go green. There it is. And so we're ready to embed now. So obviously that embed comes pre-ticked, and it doesn't matter how many files are in that list. If you choose to embed, it will place all of the files that are in that list into the website in the same order as they're listed there. But if you want to order them in a different way, you might have to selectively embed them using the tick box plus putting the cursor into the text area. But now we're ready to do it. We just click on the embed, and there we go. There's our file in our article.